Hi, this is Jeevaratnam and welcome to my channel Jeevan Astro Answers. And this topic is about hair fall. As we know well, beauty of face is directly associated with hairs. Even hairs are the most valuable treasure for everyone. Hair does not have any essential function, but since it can strongly influence our appearance. Human hair is made of a tough protein called keratin, and it consists of the hair shaft, hair root, and hair bulb. A hair follicle anchors each hair into the skin. The hair bulb forms the base of the hair follicle. Blood vessels nourish the cells in the hair bulb and deliver hormones that modify hair growth and structure at different times of life. In the hair bulb, living cells divide and grow to build the hair shaft. The hair shaft is what we refer to as the actual hair. As soon as the hair grows out of the scalp, it's covered with a thin, protective, greasy film by the sebaceous glands. If this greasy film is lacking or impaired, then the hair looks dry and dull. A hair grows approximately 1 centimeter per month. The hair color, structure, and growth of hair are primarily determined by hormones and genetics. Our individual hair color is determined by the amount of embedded pigments, especially melanin. Gray hair emerges when the production of melanin diminishes. Normal hair fall is a natural phenomenon of human body because falling about 100 to 150 hairs daily is considered as normal condition because after specific life of single hair it falls. But in case of excess hair fall, some factors are responsible, which may be due to hormonal imbalance, long-term illness, prolonged medications, vitamin and protein deficiency, etc. Majorly, 3 factors influences the hair growth, and these are scientifically proven factors for normal hair growth, which are as follows: hair follicles, healthy skin, keratin protein that supports the hair growth. Astrologically, these 3 factors are controlled by Mercury, Venus, and Jupiter. So, healthy state of these planets supports the healthy growth and beauty of hairs. Similarly, any affliction to these planets gives malnutrition and hair loss. Ascendant or first house represents head region. If ascendant lord is weak in terms of associated with Sun, Saturn or Mars, or in 6th, 8th or 12th houses, then it directly weakens ascendant lord. Due to this reason, it increases the hair fall due to low strength of hair roots. Some ascendants like Aries, Leo, Scorpio, which are susceptible for the baldness or hair fall. For Capricorn and Aquarius, Lord Saturn is associated with premature graying of hairs and early aging. Some other causes of hair fall are pregnancy, diabetes, prolonged illness, hereditary factor, chemotherapy, scalp infection due to bacteria or fungus. It's a popular saying that true beauty comes from within. And that's correct because the cells of the hair roots also need nutrients. In addition to minerals and vitamins, trace elements, protein are also necessary since they are components of hair. The protein keratin is the basic substance of hair and nails. It's required for the construction of cell structures. A healthy hair structure stands for strength and spirit. In order to form keratin, the body requires the amino acid L-cysteine, which is in turn formed from L-methionine. B-complex vitamins contribute to the energy metabolism of cells. Biotin, which together with zinc is important for the preservation of hair. The vital trace element copper supports hair pigmentation, that is hair color. Hair is considered to be a symbol of health and beauty, and a complete balanced diet is the power for the hair. So, you can do quite a bit for the beauty of your hair through proper nutrition. Finally, beautiful hair is a person's natural jewelry, yet hair is not only a sign of attractiveness but also a mirror of health. So take care of your hair. I hope you might have enjoyed this video. Anyway, thank you and have a nice day.